Bring both legs straight on the mat. Hold your big toes. That is Paschimottanasana. Keep crunching your belly. There should be no pressure on your neck. Hold it for 20 seconds. That's straight. Keep holding it. आपके दोनों hands straight होने चाहिए. Keep holding it. Do not drop your neck like this. Your vision should always be forward. Keep pressing your knee and heels. Spine goes straight. Let's start. Open your legs a little bit. 1, open, close, down. 2, open, close, down. 3, open, close, down. 4, open, close, down. 5, open, close, down. 6, open, close, down. 7, open, close, down. 8, open, close, down. 9, open, close, down. 10, open, close, down. Keep holding your big toes. Bring one toe inside, another toe inside, forming Bardha Konasana. Exhale and bend forward. Keep breathing here. 10 seconds have passed, 20 more. Inhale up. Now come in happy baby pose in seated posture. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spread your legs, open them straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs inside and form half board pose. Take your spine 3 inches back. If you have slip disc problem, then take your legs down in earthquake like this and keep a pillow under your head. And then continue. Even a person who has sciatica can keep a pillow under his or her head. Take your spine a little bit up. One hand down, legs up. Second, up. Third, up. Fourth, up. Fifth, up. 10 more. 10, up. 9, up. 8, up. 7, up. 6, up. 5, up. 4, up. 3, up. 2, up. 1, up. Now go down on the mat, hands in the head, head raised. Legs up at 90. If you have cervical, do not raise your head. If you have bad back pain, chronic back pain, then keep your hands under hips. Now take right leg down at 10 degrees. Make a small circle at 10 degree level, small swans with right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. A very slow process. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kindly raise this leg up at 90. Both legs are at 90. Take a deep breath, exhale and breath. Now take your left leg down at 10. Circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can keep your head down in between. 10. Both legs up at 90. Take a deep breath at 90. Exhale and breath. Now take both legs down at 10 together. If you can, small circles there. Double leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are 26, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clock you can also make. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees, bring them on your chest. Now keep both toes on the mat and bring hip width gap between your heels and your toes. घुटनों और पंचों में इतना गैप लाइए जितने ब्रॉड आपके हिप्स है। दोनों हाथों को रखिए हिप्स के अगल बगल बिसाइड योर हिप्स। इनहेल एंड रेज योर पेल्विस अप फॉर्मिंग अ ब्रिज पोज। Hold your hips. Keep your palms on your hips. Raise your pelvis up more. Raise your right leg up at 90 and hold it. A person who has tennis elbow, cervical बहुत extreme है. Do not raise your leg at 90. You can simply hold your hips with help of your palms. Now take the upper leg down at 10 degree in bridge pose. Make sure your hips are raised. Keep the toe on the mat. Take a deep breath. Keep holding your hips. Exhale that breath. Now raise opposite leg up at 90. Take the upper leg down at 10. Always do such practices wherein your body weight is literally centered, बिल्कुल target होता है. They really work on your fat accumulation. They develop muscles. Keep your palms on the mat but stay in bridge pose. Hold your hip. Raise right leg up at 90. Let's start. Interchange 1, left leg up. Interchange 2, very slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hip down, knees on chest. Supta Padangusthasana.